Hi everyone, this is Aaron from Gas Engineer Software, and today we're tackling a topic that might make you sweat a bit. I'm talking about taxes. Now I know what you're thinking, but hang on a minute. Tax season can be a real headache for heating and plumbing business owners, but that's usually because it's ignored and shoved into the corner right up until deadline day. We've put together a quick guide that will help you stay on top of things, streamline the process and avoid them nasty surprises. So without any more waffling, let's get into it. Record everything as you go. Did you know that organised businesses start preparing for the new tax year before the old one even ends? That might sound strange, but hear me out. Keeping good records throughout the year is probably the biggest trick to minimising stress and your final tax bill. Think of it as an investment into your sanity as well as your wallet. By staying organised, you avoid the last minute scramble and potential fines for late submissions. Understanding your tax obligations. Depending on how your business is set up, you may need to pay different taxes. Here is a quick breakdown of the main ones. Income tax. Sole traders pay this through self-assessment, while limited companies pay corporation tax. National insurance. Just like employees pay national insurance, you may need to pay contributions to it as well. VAT is another big one, but some sole traders won't need to register as you need to earn over £90,000. Now onto the meat of this guide. Here are 5 tips you can start doing right away. Record everything from day one. Keep a record of every expense and income. I'm talking everything from invoices to receipts and bank statements. We also highly recommend storing all this on the cloud, so it's completely safe, easy to access and organised. Know your deductible expenses. There are so many business expenses you can claim to reduce your tax bill, from equipment and tools to travel costs and advertising. Keep track of these throughout the year. If you're not sure what you can deduct, check out our handy list on our website. We'll leave a link in the description below. Submit your tax return early. Avoid the last minute rush and submit your return well before the deadline. This gives you time to address any issues and reduce stress. HMRC helplines also get extremely busy towards deadline day, and who wants to wait for an hour listening to hold music? Consider hiring a tax specialist. Tax laws can be complex to understand, let alone navigate. Consider getting help from a professional accountant to ensure everything is done correctly, saving you time and giving you complete peace of mind. Open a separate business bank account. Especially if you're VAT registered, a dedicated business account helps keep finances organised. Ideally, set aside 20% of your earnings for taxes to avoid having a huge tax bill that you can't pay off. After deductions, there will be some left over, which is essentially a nice little bonus. As we mentioned, good record keeping is the foundation of a stress-free tax return. Gas Engineer Software simplifies this process by managing jobs and keeping detailed records automatically. That way you can get back to running your business and not sifting through paperwork. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, with a little planning and the right tools, the tax season does not have to be a nightmare. Visit our website to learn more about Gas Engineer Software and how it can help your business thrive. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to this video. Until next time, thank you.